Welcome back. We begin our exploration of conditional flow with the fundamental if statement, which allows a program to decide whether or not to execute a block of code. We then introduce the else statement, which provides an alternative path if the if condition is false. 1. The if statement. The if keyword is followed by a condition, which must be a Boolean expression that evaluates to true or false. The line ends with a colon, and the code to be executed must be indented. 2. Indentation is crucial. Unlike many other languages that use curly braces, Python relies entirely on indentation, typically 4 spaces, to define a block of code. All lines belonging to the if block should be indented by the same amount. 3. The else statement. The optional else block provides a guaranteed path of execution if the if condition turns out to be false. Only one block, either if or else, will ever execute. To summarize, the if-else structure allows for binary decisions. You may use comparison operators for the condition, and remember that indentation is not optional. It is fundamental Python syntax. Now that we know the syntax, our next lecture 0903. Find even or odd number.